salt of weak acid and weak base. Now we just have to use a little brain. What? That we can understand by taking an example of CH3COO NH4. Ammonium salt, CH3COO NH4. Now, CH3COO NH4 contains what? CH3COO negative ions and NH4 positive ions. This is the acidic part and this is the basic part. Means the part which has come from a base and the part which has come from an acid. So basically CH3COO negative plus NH4 positive are poured in water to form CH3COOH plus NH4OH. So if I have to write separately the value of KH, it would be CH3COOH into NH4OH divided by CH3COO negative into NH4 positive. Now, for acidic part Ka, this and this, it would be CH3COOH into CO negative into H positive by CH3COOH, and for the basic part Kb, it would be NH4 positive OH negative and NH4OH. And if you multiply all of them, you will get KH into Ka into Kb is equals to H positive into OH negative. So basically KH into Ka into Kb is equals to Kw. So KH comes out to be Kw by Ka into Kb. This is as simple as we do. Now, if I give them some preferred values like concentration C, nothing, 0 and 0, C minus CH, C minus CH, CH and CH. From this case, we know that Ka was equals to what? CH3COO negative into H positive upon CH3COOH. And if I have to write that in terms of H positive, it will come out to be what? That H positive is equals to Ka CH3COOH upon CH3COO negative. Right? Now, we know the relations of Ka, and we also know the relations of the values of CH3CO negative and CH3COOH. So putting the relations there, we can say that H positive is equals to Ka into CH over C into 1 minus H. So we can write it as Ka positive into Ka, H positive Ka, C and C cancel. Now this can be neglected as H is very very small. H, Ka is what? Ka is Kw by Kh into Kb into H. This is one of the relations which we have to find. H is equals to under root Kh. So H positive is equals to Ka into under root KH. Now we can put this relation here. So our H positive comes out to be Kw H positive is equals to under root Kw over Ka into Kb. Kw dot Ka. Now coming it here, we can test under root Kw dot Ka upon Kb is what? H positive ion concentration. And just like the previous one, if I take the pH of the values, if I take log on both sides, I will get the relation as pH is equals to 7 plus half pKa minus half pKb. This is the relation which I will get. Now using the same relations, if I derive the formulas of all, I will get a chart of like this, that weak acid in case of weak base, the KH is Kw by Ka into Kb, and pH is 7 plus half pKa minus half pKb. Strong acid and weak base, Kw by Kb, weak acid, strong base, Kw by Ka. And in case of strong both, no hydrolysis will ever occur. Now, if you have to remember the small formulas, how? Now you can see both are weak, so both will dissociate and both will take part in reaction. So KH becomes Kw upon Ka into Kb. But in case of strong acid and weak base, only the weak base is the one which participate. So Kw by Kb. Similarly, in third case, only the weak one is acid. So Kw by Ka. Similarly, in the case of pH, you can see all have 7 in common. Now, in the case of what? Strong acid and in case of alternate, strong acid, weak base, weak acid, strong base. 7 is common, log C is common, and all the halves are common. Only weak base, so half, so pKb, weak acid, so pKa. And in case of base, all signs are negative. In case of acid, all signs are positive. And if for a change, in case of weak acid and weak base, 7 is common, but you can just add the rest of the 4. Minus half pKa plus half pKb, and if we add this, then cancel out. So the weak acid weak base becomes 7 plus half pKa and minus half pKb. And in the last case, there is no hydrolysis.